The ATV winch will pull you and your ATV out of the mud if you get stuck. A winch is clearly the best tool for the job. Selecting the right model can be difficult, with so many options to choose from. These are 5 of the best ATV winches on the market right now in 2022 for the money. Before we jump into the review, we selected only the best ATV winches available on the market for the money. We examined the factors that differ a winch from good to great, such as its maximum pull capacity, rope material, and controls. We didn't include any products that we thought didn't have enough power to carry out the tasks it was intended to do. Number 1. Warn Vantage 2000S Winch. As a winch manufacturer, Warn has relied on its reputation. With a pull rating of 2,000 pounds, this smaller model has decent power for its size. The fair lead plate on this winch is made of cheaper metal, and when the angle is just right, it works fine. But you have to keep in mind, if it cracks, splits, or damages your bumper, you may need to have it replaced. It appears that Warn is cutting costs here and relying on their name to demand higher prices per power rating. It includes a handlebar-mounted mini rocker control. This winch features a differential planetary gear train, dynamic brake, permanent magnet motor. Despite this, Warn stands behind its products and offers one of the best customer service experiences in the industry. This winch kit includes a 5-year mechanical warranty and a 1-year electrical warranty. Number 2. Champion 3000 pounds ATV Winch. Champion 3000 pounds ATV Winch is designed for those on a budget. The Champion Power Equipment 13004 is a powerful, effective winch. This winch has a pulling capacity of 3,000 pounds with an automatic brake, so whatever winching situation you may face, it can handle it. The clutch system is also one of the finest, allowing easy spooling. Additionally, the kit includes a remote control, a roller fair lead, mounting channels, and other tools needed for an effective winch. It is often criticized that ATV winches come with weak cables, but the Champion 49.5-foot cable is made for use in any environment. It has a rugged cable with a latched clevis hook. You don't want to figure out how to use a winch when your ATV is stuck. With a rated line pull of 3,000 pounds, mount this winch on your ATV or side by side with the mounting channel to quickly harness the strength of its 1.3 horsepower magnet motor. The cable is a 49 feet Super Duty aircraft galvanized steel cable with a rugged, latched clevis hook. Featuring a heavy-duty clevis hook and handy strap, this compact and lightweight tool is anything but lightweight when it comes to power. You won't have any trouble getting it to work once it's installed, as Champion made it easy for you. This winch kit includes a 2-year limited warranty with free lifetime technical support. Number 3. REINDEER 12V 3000 pounds Winch. A quality, well-built winch like the REINDEER 12V 3000 pounds winch delivers a powerful performance year after year. Over the years, the REINDEER 12V series has been perfected to offer unmatched durability and performance. It is composed of special high-tech polyethylene material with heat-treated 12-strand construction, a lightweight construction, and a synthetic rope that is 10 times stronger than a conventional rope. Rain and moisture are effectively isolated by the durable satin black cast aluminum housing and sealed engine. The REINDEER winch has a 1:53:1 reduction ratio and differential planetary gear system for greater pulling power, tight line speeds, quiet and reliable pulling power, corrosion resistance, waterproof, tough, and capable enough to handle anything you throw at it. Winch kits with all wires and connections are color-coded, detailed instructions, and 2 wireless remotes, allowing us to control the winch from anywhere within 50 feet. The package includes lifetime technical support and a 1-year limited warranty. If you run into any problems during the purchase period, please feel free to contact REINDEER online, and they will be happy to assist you. Number 4. ZEAK 3500 pounds Advanced 12V DC. The ZEAK Advanced DC winch is a quality, well-built winch. It delivers a powerful performance year after year. The ZEAK Advanced DC series has been refined over the years to offer unmatched durability and performance. The 2,500-pound capacity of this great electric winch comes with a 1.1 horsepower 210 amp DC permanent magnet motor, 153:1 single-stage planetary gear system, 3.2 feet per minute full load line speed, and 13 feet per minute no load line speed. With the durable 50 feet synthetic winch rope of high tensile strength, this winch is weatherproof IP65 for corrosion resistance and can be used in any weather condition. Each lead is connected to the other end of the corresponding lead, which makes it easy to be confused, as well as convenient and easy to connect. A vehicle's accessories range from plowing snow to stacking wood to towing equipment. Number 5. Extreme Max Bear Claw ATV Winch. While the Extreme Max is one of the most budget-friendly ATV winches, its large range of features makes it a valuable and reliable winch. Since all parts are covered and sealed for weather resistance, you can expect good performance even during tough weather conditions. The Extreme Max is equipped with a battery plug-in and a universal hitch mount. Using Quick Connect technology, the battery allows seamless connection and disconnection. The universal receiver is compatible with 2 and 4 bolt winches. A concentric winch spool ensures better cable alignment on the Bear Claw 3,100 pounds, which has a compact design. The installation of Extreme Max 5600 is very easy, making it stand out from other models. Moreover, the Extreme Max 5600 comes with a 2-year warranty. The product is not only energy efficient but also quiet thanks to its triple planetary gearbox. That's it. We tried our best to find the best winch for ATV for the money and help you to choose which one to buy. Hope you have enjoyed this video. We make new updates every day. So, make sure to hit the subscribe button. If you want to know more, comment below and smash the like button.